Hi, my name's Cameron Greer. I'm from England, Portsmouth. I'm 35 years old, and I chose to come to Hair of Istanbul, recommendation of my wife. She knew that I was interested in getting my hair done because I was losing it, and never pushed me towards it, but just sort of nudged me in the direction of Istanbul on Instagram. And it's literally within the first sort of few pictures, I thought I've had a few friends that have done it in London and Harley Street, but nothing compared to just the thickness and how dense it was. That was the biggest thing. My main reason for getting it done was, obviously I was losing my hair, but my daughter, she kept not making fun, but she kept pointing it out. So I was like, all right, okay, I'll get it done. And it's obviously, I can see it helping with my self-esteem. And yeah, I even convinced my brother-in-law to come over as well. I also, at one stage, I just thought, I'm going to shave my head off, I'm going to go bald. And at the same time, I had a tattoo done of my family, my wife, me and my daughter. And I didn't even think about it, but within the process of extracting the hair follicles, they haven't damaged it one bit. It's only when I was laying down, I thought, oh no, I didn't say anything, but I didn't have to because they'd already taken that into consideration. So I was very thankful for that. And now all I can wait for is my hair to grow and to not get called slabby head by my daughter. So I'm looking forward to that. Yeah, when I was younger, from my 20s up to, sort of my teens up to my late 20s, I was always doing stuff with my hair, straightening it, making it different colours and all that sort of stuff. So I calmed down a bit. So some blokes like to do their hair, so I sort of wanted to get it back. I reckon I'm going to try and grow it long this time. Normally I'd have it quite short. I fancy having going a bit longer this time. But yeah, all I can say is from start to finish, Hair of Istanbul have been, and my brother-in-law agrees with me, hands down, like everything's been so professional. Everything is, you haven't had to wait around. They're always leading you to the next bit, and you're never asking questions because they've already answered them for you. So I'd 100% recommend Hair of Istanbul. So guys, really appreciate everything. Really happy with what it looks like so far, so thanks. Really happy.